Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about rape and if it should be redefined in Jamaica. I actually spoke about this 2 years ago, but let's get into this video. It says, Executive Director of the Caribbean Vulnerable Communities Coalition, Ivan Krushank, says despite the delay in the amendment to the Offences Against the Persons Act, he is still hopeful that the changes are soon in coming. The CVC was part of a joint select committee of Parliament that recommended that several changes be made to the act to give the law more teeth in bringing offenders to the book. Krushank said that one of the measures was the redefinition of rape, as under the Jamaica law, a husband cannot be charged for the rape of his wife. He also said the raising of the age of consent, issues around a woman's right to choose if she wants to take an abortion, and gender-based violence were among the issues being considered. Krushank also said a public awareness campaign was coming on stream in collaboration with the European Union under the Spotlight initiative to focus on family-based gender violence. In my comment section, I want you guys to tell me if you think that legally rape should be redefined in Jamaica so that a man and a woman who is married a woman can say her husband raped her. Do you think that is even possible? Comment in the comment section below. And do you think that the age of consent should be higher? Because in Jamaica, the age of consent is 16, but you can only be 18 to do an abortion. So that doesn't make any sense. You can consent to sex, but you can't have an abortion at 16 legally. What are your thoughts on those? I have felt like the age of consent should be 18 for a very long time, because I feel like because the age of consent is 16 in Jamaica, it brings predators to the country. It brings people to Jamaica that want to do just that, have sex with kids that are 16, because that is the age of consent and they won't get in any issues for it. So I feel like if that is the case, then raise the age of consent. And if you're gonna make the age of consent 16 but you can't have an abortion at 16, that doesn't make any sense. So that when somebody chooses to have sex, they know that legally that person needs to be 18 to consent to sex or consent to sexual activities then. And my thoughts on the whole rape thing, honestly, I'm going to be quite frank with you. I don't feel like legally a man can rape his wife. I feel like if a woman says no to sex, whether you're married or not, like, you should just understand that it's no. Pretty simple. And who would want to have sex with somebody that don't want to have sex with them? Like, that don't feel disgusting? Like, ugh. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.